Hello guys, welcome in my channel English with Seema Miklani. Today we have brought group of words where the students get confusion. The words are first category is beside and besides and second one is among and between. So let's discuss one by one with examples that will clarify your confusion. See, the first one is beside and besides. Now what is the difference between beside and besides? सुनने में दोनों एक जैसे लगते हैं लेकिन दोनों का वर्क बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. These two are the part of prepositions. Now see how they work. First one is beside. What is the meaning of beside? Beside means next to or at the side of. Like I can give the example. I'm standing beside the blackboard. Means blackboard's position is next to my side. So this is called beside. See the example. The table is beside the bed. Right. Now next one is besides. Now what is besides? Besides, that gives the information, extra information, like in addition to or apart from. इसके अलावा, हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसे इसके अलावा. Like see the example. Besides teaching, I love cooking. Right? Means teaching तो पसंद है, साथ साथ में मुझे cooking भी अच्छी लगती है. उसके अलावा means giving the information, extra information, additional information, that is called besides. Now how to remember this? एक टिप लेकर आई हूं आपको याद रखने के लिए कि कैसे याद रखेंगे. Beside, there the word is side, means that refers to the side. Now besides, here two s are there. So two s means suggest and subtraction. Subtraction means subtraction and addition, that gives the additional information, that is called besides. I think this is clear now. Let's move further for the next one, that is among and between. इसमें भी बच्चों को बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहती है कि among कहाँ यूज करना है, between कहाँ यूज करना है. बच्चे सोच लेते हैं कि जहां पर दो लोगों की बातें आ रही है वहां पर between लगा दो, जहां दोस्त ज्यादा हैं वहां पर among लगा दो. लेकिन ये सभी केसेस में नहीं होता. See how. Among means group or general items. How general items can be counted, how group can be counted. See, she was standing among the crowd. Crowd ज्यादा है, उसमें वो खड़ी है. So that is called, this is called surrounded by. Right? This is called surrounded by. She was standing around the crowd. Among the crowd. Second one, see. I found a letter among old books. Here this is the part of group. Old books बहुत सारी हैं, उसमें से उसको एक letter मिला. So that is called part of a group. Now see what is between. Between two or distinct items. When we are talking about two or distinct items, next one, we are talking about one-to-one relationship also. So सिर्फ यहाँ पर दो की बात नहीं है, बल्कि relations की भी अगर हम बात करते हैं, one-to-one relationship, then also we use the word between. See by the example. The treaty was signed between the four nations. अब है तो वो four nations, लेकिन फिर भी हम यहाँ पर क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? Among नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पर between यूज कर रहे हैं. Because we are talking about here one-to-one relationships. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पर between यूज करेंगे. Choose between apple, banana and pear. Right? We have three options: apple, banana, pear. So हमें उनमें से यूज करना है क्योंकि ये तीनों क्या है? Specific items है. We are talking about specific fruits. So that's why we have to use here between, not the among. I think among और between अभी clear हो गया होगा. These among and between देखने में बहुत easy लगते हैं, लेकिन जब ये competition exams में आते हैं तो बच्चे बहुत बार confuse होते हैं. So I think now confusion will be over and we will meet soon with the next topic tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.